Hello children, Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy. Now it's study time children. So take out your active English book, pencil and eraser and keep it ready. Okay. So now today in active English we are doing chapter 20. Okay. In active English we are doing chapter 20. So children, today in this chapter we will learn the use of word is, is and are, are with the word there. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the use of words is and are with the word there. Okay children? Yes. Now we will see the meaning of these words. Okay. Now first is there. 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 There means in that place. What is the meaning of there? There means in that place. Okay. Next is is, is. A word used for one person, place or thing. Is a word used for one person, place or thing. Okay. Yes. Now next is are. A-R-E. Are. Are a word used for more than one person, place or thing. Okay. So once more I'll explain. There means in that place. Is a word for one person, place or thing. Is a word used for one person, place or thing. Are a word used for more than one person, place or thing. Okay. Now we will go to the next slide. Children, here we are using two words. There is. Okay. So when we are using there is with one person or object. Okay. There is used with one person or object. Now we will see example. Okay. Now see here children, what is this? Yes, a clown. What is this children? A clown. Clown is also called joker. You know joker children? Yes. Yes. He is having colorful face. Yes, and he is wearing a cap. Okay. So he is a joker. Okay. Now we will write the sentence on this. Dash a clown. So what will come here children? There is a clown. Joker is one. So we are using there is a clown. Okay. Now next is, see the picture children. Yes. Cake. Yummy yummy. Birthday cake. Yes. Okay. Now we will write the sentence. Dash a cake. Okay. How many cake? One cake. So what we will use here? Yes. There is a cake. Okay. Yes. Now we will move to the next slide. Now here children, we are again using two words. There are. Okay. There are. So when we are using there are, yes, with more than one person or object. We are using there are. We are using a word there are with more than one person or object. Now we will see the examples for this. Okay, yes. Now see the first picture, children. Yes, what are these? Balloons. So how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 balloons are there. That means more than one balloon. So what we will use here in the line? Yes, there are 4 balloons. Okay, here 4 balloons are there. So we are using there are 4 balloons. Okay, we will see the next example. Now see here, children, candles are there. On the birthday cake, candles are there. Now let us count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many candles are there, children? 7. That means more than one. Yes. So we will write here, there are 7 candles. Okay, we are using there are. Why? Here 7 candles are there. More than one candle. That's why we are using there are. There are 7 candles. Okay, children? Understood when to use there is and when to use there are. Okay, now let us see few more examples. Now, children, now when you are asking a question, so how you will ask? See the picture. Is there a duck in the pond? The answer is yes, there is. Only one duck is there. So we are using there is. What is the question? Is there a duck in the pond? Yes, there is. Now see the next one. Basket. There is a picture of basket. Okay. Now, is there a mango in the basket? Is there a mango in the basket, children? What will be the answer? No, there is not. Okay, there is not. First question again I'll read. Is there a duck in the pond? Yes, there is. Because there is a duck in the pond. So we are saying yes, there is. Now second question. Is there a mango in the basket? Can you see any mango in the basket, children? No, there is not. Understood? Yes. Now we will move to the next line. Now here, children, look at the picture and write 4 sentences. You have to see the picture and write 4 sentences. What you see in the picture, you have to write that. Okay. Now the first one. First is what you see. Yes, there is a frog near the lake. What you see in the picture, children? Can you see a frog in the picture? Yes. So how many frog? One frog. So I will write there is a frog near the lake. I am using here there is. Okay. Next line. There are 3 fishes in the lake. Can you see 3 fishes, children? 1, 2, 3. So here I am using there are. There are 3 fishes in the lake. Now next, what you see in the picture? There is 1 tortoise in the lake. Can you see tortoise, children? Yes. So how many tortoise? 1 tortoise. So what I will use? There is 1 tortoise in the lake. Okay, I am using here there is. Next, children, what you see in the picture? Yes, there is 1 lotus in the lake. Yes, I can see 1 lotus in the lake. So here I am using there is. Okay, children, understood? When there is one object, animal, place or thing, we are using there is. And when there are more than one object, place, person or thing, then we are using there are. Understood? Now open your Active English book, chapter number 20. Now we will write here in this book. Okay, sure. Next one. Now, have you opened the book, children? Yes. Now, let us see the first one. Okay, now we will read the line. Dash an orange on the plate. What is the line, children? Dash an orange on the plate. So, how many orange are there? Yes, there. So, what I will write here? There is an orange on the plate. Only one orange. So, I will write here. There is an orange on the plate. Now, see the second picture. Read the line. Dash are 3 boys in the boat. So, here again, what will come? There are 3 boys in the boat. Are you writing now, children? Yes. Next one. See the picture. Dash a cup, dash the saucer. So, what will come here? Yes, there is a cup on the saucer. Okay, children? Yes. So, first one is there is an orange on the plate. Second is there are 3 boys in the boat. Next one, there is a cup on the saucer. Done, children? Yes. Now we will move to the next slide. Yes. See your children, see the picture. Okay. Now we will write. First we will read the sentence. We'll read the line. Dash cats dash box. So what will come? Here are 2 cats. So what will come? Yes, there are 2 cats in the box. Done, children? Yes. Now see the next one. Dash doll dash cupboard. So what will come here? There is a doll in the cupboard. Yes, only one doll. So we are writing there is a doll in the cupboard. Done? Okay. Now we will move to the next slide. Okay. See here, children. Dash glasses dash. See the picture. How many glasses? Yes, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 glasses. So what we will write here? There are 4 glasses on the table. Where are the glasses? On the table. So we will read the sentence again. There are 4 glasses on the table. Okay. Yes. Next one. See the next picture. Dash dog dash. Where is the dog, children? Yes. There is a dog in the box. So again I will read. There is a dog in the box. Done? Okay. Now we will move to the next line. See the picture. Okay. Now we will write the sentence. There is a ball in the box. Okay, only one ball, so we are writing there is a ball in the box. Done? Okay, now we will move to the next slide. Now here it is questions are given, you have to write the answer for this. Okay, now see the picture. Is there a cloud in the sky? Can you see the cloud in the sky? So yes, there is. Done? Is there a cloud in the sky? Yes, there is. Done? Okay. Now see the second question. Is there a plate on the table? Can you see any plate on the table, children? No, there is not. Okay, done? Yes. Now we will move to the next slide. Now, here, dash there a clock on the table. So what will come? Is there a clock on the table? Is there a clock on the table? Yes, there is. Have you written, children? Yes. Now see the next one. Dash a cat on the chair. So what will come here? Is there a cat on the chair? Is there a cat on the chair? Can you see? No. So answer will be no, there is not. Done? Yes. Once more I'll read. Is there a clock on the table? Yes, there is. Next one. Is there a cat on the chair? No, there is not. Okay? Yes. Shall I move to the next slide? Okay. Next one. Dash a picture on the wall. Again I read. Dash a picture on the wall. So what will come here? Is there a picture on the wall? Is there a picture on the wall? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There is a picture on the wall. Next one. Dash a tree in front of the house. So what will come here? Is there a tree in front of the house? Can you see a tree? No, there is not. Done? Yes. Next one. Dash apple dash plate. So what will come here? There is there an apple on the plate. Okay, once more. Is there an apple on the plate? Can you see an apple on the plate, children? No, there is not. No, there is not. Apple is not there, so no, there is not. Okay? Yes. Now we will move to the next one. Is there a bag on the table? Is there a bag on the table? Yes, there is. There is a bag on the table. So, yes, there is. Done, children? Okay? Yes. Now, there is one small home assignment for you. Okay? You have to see the picture and here two options are given. There is, there are. So, you have to see the picture and click on that. Choose the correct answer and tick mark. If it is one object, then we are going to tick mark on there is. If there are more than one object, then we are putting a tick mark on there are. Okay, you can do na, children? Yes. So do the homework and stay safe. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.